Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Good, thanks. Please have a seat.
Thank you, teacher.
So how are you today, Anne?
I feel okay today.
Yeah? Okay.
So, and how about you?
I'm good today.
Oh,
Thank you.
Okay. So we both feel good
We
today.
feel good. So, anyway, today we're going to keep talking about places around Hua Hin.
Again. Right.
Places around Hua Hin to visit.
Or maybe some places that's near Hua Hin,
Sure.
right? In Cham,
That's
in
right.
Phetchaburi.
That's right.
Okay, around here, around
Sure.
Hua Hin นะคะ เป็นสถานที่ที่ไม่ใช่ในหัวหินบ้างก็ได้แถวบ้านนักเรียนก็ได้นะคะไม่มีปัญหานะคะ Okay.
Great. So let's start. All right. Shall we start on the PowerPoint today?
Okay.
Let's
Go
take a
ahead.
look. Okay.
เรามาดูกันเลย
So
นะคะ
everybody today, now let's take a look. I have some pictures for you today. And yesterday we talked about, where is this?
Where is it ปังปอน
Where is it?
ปาลู what kind of ปาลูปาลู durian or ปาลู waterfall เห็นอะไรบ้างปาลู
Waterfall.
elephant waterfall right
Pala'u Waterfall. Very nice.
great
Okay. Pala'u Waterfall. All right. Now, what did we say about Pala'u Waterfall? What did we say? Okay. So, what I want you to do is I want you to match these ideas to the sentences.
ทบทวนความรู้เดิมนะคะ
Okay? So, everybody, look at the sentences, look at the ideas, and match these two together.
match คืออะไรคะ match ให้จับคู่โอเค
Okay?
match them together เรา
Match
จับ
them
คู่
together.
จับคู่นะคะ ไม่ต้องเขียนค่ะ เมื่อวานเขียนไปแล้ว they don't need to write
You don't need to write it.
ไม่ต้อง
Just
เขียน
look
ค่ะ
and in your mind match up the sentences.
ลองจับคู่สิคะ วางปากกา
Alright.
วางปากกา ไม่ต้องจับปากกาค่ะ วางไว้ โอเค วางปากกา
Alright. Okay. Let's try these. Okay? Who can do? When do we get? Okay? Who can do number one?
number one who can do number one
Who can do number one
show
for
your
us?
hands ป้าย is here โอเค ก่อน and how about number two
Stand up.
let's think about number two
Okay. All right. Number one.
ทูปาลาอู waterfall ค่ะ
Okay.
you should go
You should go to ปาลาอู waterfall ค่ะ
Very nice.
okay is that
That's a good
right yeah
Yeah, very good. We should go to Palo Waterfall.
right okay
All right. Who can do number two?
number two ป้าย is okay good okay
All right. Number
Please
two.
show your answer. Show
It's
your matching.
very beautiful.
It's very beautiful. Is that right, Edward?
I think so. Yes,
Okay,
it's
let's
very
see.
beautiful.
Great. Okay. And how about
Number three.
number
there
three?
are.
Number three. Number three. Show me your hands. Number three. Real. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
It's yours.
There are a lot of butterfly.
There
Good.
are a lot of
Butterfly.
butterflies.
Butterflies.
Isn't it?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. And
It's
then
okay.
number
And how about
four,
number four? Very
You
easy
can
one.
see
You can
wildlife.
see wildlife.
Okay.
Edward, what is wildlife?
Wildlife. Wildlife.
คืออะไรคะ
That's right. Elephants, tigers, deer.
Mhm.
Okay?
Yes, they are different from pets.
That's right.
สัตว์ป่าต่างกับสัตว์เลี้ยงนะคะ เมื่อวานนี้ครูถามหลานที่บ้านเสือเป็นเพชไหม เขาตอบว่าอะไรคะ เป็น Yesterday I taught my cousin
Yes.
I taught my niece and my nephew and I asked them is a tiger a pet? They said yes.
Okay.
Because they can see the tiger in the zoo.
Okay.
And they think it's a pet.
I see.
Okay. เพราะฉะนั้น so you need to know the difference between the wildlife and pet.
That's true.
Okay.
Very good. Okay. Now everybody, let's go ahead and let's look back at the PowerPoint. Okay. And today's topic, let's look here. Today, let's first talk about this place. Where is this?
Night market.
Okay, so
Night
where is
market.
this? Night market. Yes.
Okay.
So this is the Hua Hin night market. All right. Okay. Now, today then, Anne and I are going to have a conversation about the Hua Hin
Okay.
night market. Okay? So, let's listen. Okay? And we're going to have a conversation about the Hua Hin night market. All right? Okay. So, Anne, you know, I'm new in Hua Hin. Can you tell me, what are some good places to visit around Hua Hin?
Oh, of course. You should go to the night market.
The night market?
Hi.
Wow, sounds interesting. Please tell me about it.
It's really colorful. You can eat a lot of delicious food.
Really?
Yes.
Sounds
And
nice.
Yes, and there are many souvenir shops.
Souvenir shops?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. I need to buy some souvenirs.
Okay.
So maybe I'll go next weekend.
Next week. So you need to prepare a lot of money to buy souvenirs.
It's expensive?
No, it's very cheap.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. Well, thanks.
Okay.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Now, remember everybody, we're going to have this conversation. Each time, maybe the conversation is a little different. Okay? That's okay. All right? Let's listen one more time for the basic points of our conversation. Ready? Once more.
โอเค คราวนี้ดูตามพล็อตตามแพทเทิร์นเป๊ะเลยนะคะ
Okay. So, oh, hi, Anne. Listen, tell me, what are some good places to visit around Hua Hin?
Oh, you should go to the night market.
The night market? Wow, sounds nice. Tell me about it.
It's very colorful.
Okay.
Yes, and you can eat many kinds of delicious food.
Oh, really? Thai
Yes.
food?
Yes, Thai food and the food from other countries.
Great.
Like Italian food. You
Really?
can try. Yes.
Okay.
And there are a lot of souvenir shops.
Great.
Yeah.
You know, I think I'll try to go this weekend. Thanks. Bye.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right.
เปลี่ยนไปหน่อย
So, tell me about the night market. What did Anne say about the night market?
ครูพูดอะไรไปบ้างคะ เกี่ยวกับ night market มีอะไรบ้าง อาหารไทย ร้านค้าแบบไหนคะ souvenir shop ร้านของที่ระลึกดีมาก ร้านของที่ระลึก and ร้านอะไรคะ ที่นั่นสวยงาม โอเค
Great.
They get all the points
Good. Let's review on the PowerPoint quickly,
Yes.
okay?
เราลองมาดูซิสิ่งที่ครูพูดไปมีอะไรบ้าง นะคะเห็นไหมคะเราเป็นคนหัวหินเราเป็นชาวชะอำเราเป็นชาวเพชรบุรีประจวบเราแนะนำสถานที่ได้นะคะเพราะว่าทุกสิ่งทุกอย่างอยู่ในสายเลือดเราใช่ไหมคะเราแนะนำให้นักท่องเที่ยวได้ค่ะ
So, hi, what are some good places to visit around Hua Hin?
เหมือนกับในสมุดนักเรียนเลยใช่ไหมคะเหมือนไหมเหมือนไหมคะเหมือนไม่ต้องจดทุกอย่างเหมือนในสมุดนักเรียนเลยนี่คือ
Okay, so
คำถาม
let's look
เริ่
at
ม
the
ต้น
board here. And Hua Hin, around Hua Hin. In Hua Hin, no, around Hua Hin. Okay, so it could be Hua Hin, it could be
ชะอ
Sha'am, it could be
ำปราณบุรี
Cranberry, okay, Kowtow,
ข้าวเทา
Pala'u Waterfall, okay. These places are around Hua Hin.
ฮะ
Okay. So,
around คืออะไรคะ around
so today in your conversations, you can do it in Hua Hin or outside of Hua Hin. Okay, that's fine. Right?
outside คืออะไรคะนอกหัวหินรอบหัวหินตรงไหนก็ได้ที่แบบว่ามันอยู่บริเวณเนี้ยที่นักเรียนรู้จักดี
Right.
โอเค
We have Cham. Is that right?
yes
Okay. Cham and Cranberry and
and เพชรบุรี
Petbury.
โอเคบุรี yes right okay
Okay.
many phrases here
So, all right.
เอาแค่หัวหินให้ได้ก็ได้นะคะนักเรียน
Let's keep going back to the PowerPoint.
เรามาที่ PowerPoint ของเรานะคะ
So, what are some good places to visit around Hua Hin? You should go to the night market. The night market sounds nice. Tell me about it. It's really colorful. Okay? Colorful.
colorful คืออะไรคะมาจากคำว่า color มีสีสันมีชีวิตชีวานะคะ